Cyrus Mistry, the new deputy chairman of the Tata Group, isn't moving to the Tata headquarters just yet. ET Now's Mohit Bhala is joining us from Bombay House with more on Mistry's transition plans. Mohit, tell us, what's the transition plan that Cyrus Mistry has sort of put in place to ensure a smooth transition out of his family business?
Well, we do understand from trusted advisors of Cyrus Mistry, senior executive at the Shapoorji Pallonji Group, that he in fact has put in place a transition plan to ensure that there's a smooth handover of leadership when a leadership change does happen at the Shapoorji Pallonji Group itself. We understand that he is likely to step down from his responsibilities as managing director of Shapoorji Pallonji on the 31st of March 2012. That's really the timeline he set for himself. He's going to use this entire interim phase to actually hand over leadership to his elder brother Shapoor Mistry, who is also a managing director at the firm. He currently, of course, runs the real estate business, while Cyrus runs the construction business of the group. So clearly there's going to be a transfer of leadership with Shapoor actually running or taking charge of both the businesses, the real estate as well as EPC or construction businesses of the group, and that of course will happen in the next fiscal. In the meantime, of course, Cyrus Mistry is making sure that the transition is smooth. He's continuing to spend a lot of time at Shapoorji Pallonji's headquarters, interacting with senior management to ensure that there's more delegation of responsibilities within the construction vertical itself, so that his elder brother, when he does take charge, doesn't have too many issues as far as operating the business is concerned. So that's really what's going on as far as the transition plan is concerned for continuity at the Shapoorji Pallonji Group itself.